Join us for the second annual Old Palm Harbor Car Show on May 1st with proceeds to benefit Susan G. Komen 3-Day for the Cure. Cars will be displayed along historic Florida Avenue in downtown Palm Harbor from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Registrations from 8 to 10 a.m. Cars will be judged by make and production years. Space is limited, so register soon. We will also have a 50-50 drawing with great prizes given away all day, with a final drawing following the award ceremony at 4 p.m. For online registration or more information, visit us on the web at palmharborcarshow.com.